So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today. I have literally got the most beautiful phone cases to show you guys from a company that's called BLANC SPACE. I am so impressed, and as always I've also got a discount code for you guys. So if you know me, you know I like red roses, hence why you can see why I've selected the phone case with the red rose, and it's currently on my phone now as we speak. When they actually contacted me, I thought, yeah, it'll probably be just another, brand. And I didn't expect the quality that I actually got. I'm genuinely shocked. Like, they feel sturdy. However, the color on the actual phone case is vibrant. It feels like it's long lasting. Obviously, I'll do an update review for you guys as well. But however, so far I'm absolutely obsessed. I absolutely love my roses red phone case. It is beautiful. What I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to link it below in the description box for you guys. I've also got a discount code, and it's Simran20, and I will link that as well. I will also link the actual phone cases that I've selected from the actual website itself, which they've kindly gifted. But I think I'm definitely going to be investing in some more now. And if you've been actually looking for a brand new phone case, and I definitely highly recommend BLANC SPACE to you guys. Like I said, I'm going to link the website below in the description box, and obviously why not get an additional 20% off. I know they've got some Black Friday offers that I'm not sure if they're going to continue on, but however, you still do have the Simran20 code that you can enter at the checkout for your 20% off. I mean, to be fair, they are quite reasonably priced, and if you don't obviously want to take my word, please do read the reviews. There's so many people that have been complimenting their phone cases, and there's so many people on Instagram. You can follow them on Instagram as well. They're on TikTok, so they're everywhere, and I'm just happy that they chose me because these phone cases are genuinely stunning. So, and I promise you guys, soon I will be coming on camera. I've got a few more unboxings coming up. I'm not gonna lie, I've been a bit lazy. I've been busy with work and just life in general. So it's been good. Life's been good. It's not the fact that life's not been good. It's been great. I've just been a little bit lazy, let's say. However, I'm back, and I've got some few more videos coming up very soon as well. But for now, I am gonna say, if you need a new phone case, please do visit BLANC SPACE, because you'll probably find something that suits your needs. Oh, and also they do customize phone cases as well. So like, they've got, like, if you want to have, like, let's say you and your partners or your family or your dogs or your cats photo as well, they do like custom photographed phone cases as well, and they look stunning as well. I think that's probably going to be my next thing. I probably want a custom phone case with like a picture of, like, either from a wedding or like me and my hubby or me and family, one of those. But anyways, thanks.